Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this tutorial we are going to give you some tips. So there are so many SketchUp user who's beginner and they still don't know how to install a plugin in a SketchUp. Okay, so you can see that this is our SketchUp 2022. This is the latest version of SketchUp. So if you want to install a plugin here or any extensions, you must have to click over here on extension, guys. Then you will have to click on extension manager. Okay, and then you need to click on install extension and search your extension where you have downloaded. Okay, so here you can see that there are lots of extensions that I have downloaded. So if you want to install any one of them, just click over here. Okay guys, and then open. Okay, and after clicking open, it will install in your system. You can see that this is showing the list of extension over here. Okay, so this is the method to install extension in 2022. Okay, and in 2021 you have to click over here extension, and same method, click on extension and you can install directly just the same way that you have installed in 2022. What when you have a SketchUp 2020, so there is a little bit changes in a previous version. You have to click on a window, guys, then you will have to select extension manager, then you will able to install your extension. Okay, just like that. Okay, and open it, and that plugin will be shown over here. Okay, and how to locate the plugin, just right click over here to search any plugins that you have installed, or you have to click over here on a view, then click on a toolbar to activate that tool. Okay, just tick over the box to activate on a screen. Okay, this is the method. Same method on a SketchUp 2022, just right click over here and just tick any tools that you want to display over the screen. Okay, same thing on a SketchUp 2022, just right click over here, and if you want to activate this plugin, just click here, it will appear on your screen. Okay, so this is the method to install and activate your plugins. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next videos for some good tips and tricks. Thank you.